This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can remove this drone from your DJI account in case you are preparing this device for a resale, or to put it in other words, how you can deactivate your drone. So to start, make sure to open the DJI Fly app desktop. From here, go into the Profile Preferences, select the Device Management category, Account and Device, and here you'll have the red Remove Device from Account option, which you need to tap on. Press Next, Confirm, Confirm, and the device has been unbound from your account successfully, as you can tell by this message. And that's how you do that. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.